Oh, they're gonna get me. I'm coming! No, no, no. Where am I?
You're in the dungeon.
No. Why are you guys trying to get me? Like we said, you have something from us. No. What do you need from me? What do you need from me? What do you need from me? Tell me. We'll tell you later when you understand everything. What do you mean understand everything? Just let me go.
No can do. We need something from you.
Just tell me what you need from me. Just let me go.
Hey!
Wait, is that your real form?
Yep.
Yeah, remember me? Of course I remember you. You ugly little slob. What did you call me? Wait, what the heck? Are you crying? Don't look at me. Okay.
I will kill you now.
Hey, hey. What are you saying? Wait, are you guys knocked out actually? Or are you guys actually dead?
Hey!
What is this? What the? Is this like a magic wand or something? Yup. Oh no. Wait, you're nice, right? I'm like, right? Yup. Thanks for saving me, dude. At least they're away for a little while. Dude, we have to save the world from Banjo and Glitter Sparkle or whatever his name is. Dude, we have to. This isn't right. Just give me my staff back, please. Okay, here. But seriously, dude, we have to save the world. Please, dude. Okay. Let's go.